Hi, welcome to Unix Academy. I am Jyoti. In this video, we will discuss what config maps are, how to create them, some of the ways that config map data can be passed into containers running within the Kubernetes pods. Before going to lab section, I will give you brief explanation about the config maps. Generally, build any container image, we need to make sure the image is portable and shared with other using common platform such as Docker Hub or any private registry. And as we needed these images downloaded from this registry and launched within your own environment. How can these container images make this portable? Using separating container image from its custom configuration. This custom configuration is different from company to company. So we apply this custom configuration at the time of starting container. So how do we apply this configuration to the container? There are two ways. One is environment variable and the second one is mounted volumes. And any custom formats that application container can able to read and understand how these formats configure inside the pod in Kubernetes using config maps. Now come to the point, config maps. Config map is a Kubernetes object which allows to separate your configuration from the pods and components. As a result, it keeps containers portable and makes the configuration easier to change and manage. Config map stores configuration data as key value pair. For example, if you passing any container in file, then the file is going to the key and the content of the file going to key value. You must create a config map before referencing it in a pod spec. In case if you reference a config map inside the pod spec that does not exist, pod won't start. And also if you reference keys in pods that does not exist config maps, then it will prevent the pod from starting. So before you reference the config maps and keys inside the pod spec, please make sure they are created and exits. Before going to work with the config maps, I will tell you one more time. A config map is a Kubernetes object that stores a configuration data in a key value format. This configuration data can then be used to configure software running in a container by referencing the config map in the pod spec. Now I am going to create a config map file. For this I will take a editor, then I will give the file name with my-config-map.ml. Now I will give the descriptor regarding the config map. API version v1 is supporting the config map. Kind name means object config map. You should give the config map uppercase C in config and uppercase M in map. This is only single word. Why? Because this is an object. Metadata section, I am giving the name for this config map with my config -map. Then data, I am providing this data is key value format. My key is key and my value is the value, and another key is another key, and another value is this keys another value. Now I am going to save this file, then I will create config map kubectl create -f following this YAML script file config map. Already this config map as an object exists, then this error came. Anyway, already exists. Here you can see with kubectl get config command my config map data to 2 key. This means I am having 2 keys for this config map. Now I am going to pass config map data to a container as an environment variable. For this I will create one more file with my-config-pod.yml. I am giving the API version v1 for pod. Kind means object is pod. Metadata section I will provide my config map-pod, the name for pod, and spec section I will provide container information here, and you are looking on the screen container information, container name, my app-container I mentioned here. Then I took busybox image in this container. This echo command should execute when running the busybox container. Here I provided my where. This where I am giving in the environment variable same name I should provide in the environment. So because the environment dollar my underscore where is the environment value from config map reference file key. I am providing here that name my config map, then key and value. Key is my key I am providing. I did not provide the value here. I am going to save this file. Now I will create this pod descriptor. For this kubectl create, then -f flag following by my config -pod.yml. Pod is created with my -config-pod name. Now I can list this kubectl get pods. Then I is showing one by one container is running, one container is I provided here that was running and status is running. Then one more command I will use for kubectl logs. Then pod name I will provide. I wanted to check my key information. My value is my key respected value. So in this way we will separate the configuration information using by environmental variable with config maps to containers. Next video we will see using by mounted volumes with the config maps. Till then, thank you. Subscribe my channel if you not subscribed for further applications.